Hey everyone, Kenny from Sunergos here, and we are going to be unboxing the Baratza Encore today. This is a grinder that we're selling on our website now, and it's just a go-to grinder for home enthusiasts who are really into coffee, or just your average Joe who wants to brew good coffee at home. So I'm going to get into this thing. We're going to see what's in the box. So first thing you get is this awesome little guide. You can get these online too on Baratza's website, which is awesome. Just tells you how to use it, and there's not really an elegant way to get this out of the box, so I'm just gonna go for it. But it is nice how they do this, so. I'm struggling a bit. There we go. All right, so turn this around. So first thing we get when we open this guy is the hopper. So we'll set that aside for now. And next thing, we got the hopper lid. So take this guy out of here. All right, and then the grinder itself. It's the main attraction. So we're gonna get some of this packaging out of the way, and then we'll show you guys a little bit more about the grinder. So as you can see, you've got the grinder body, you've got the hopper, and then you've got the hopper lid here. And inside of the grounds catch tray, you'll see some parts which I'm going to talk about. So we'll dump those out. So first thing you get is a little cleaning brush, so you can use this to clean the chute here as the grinder gets built up of coffee grounds. That's really nice to have. And then this is the knob that goes on the side over here. So as you can see, you really just press this on, and boom, installed. And then this little guy is a rubber gasket that goes on your upper burr carrier. It's a little tricky to install, so we want to show you guys how to do it. So first thing you want to do is take this upper burr carrier out, and you'll notice that one of these tabs is red, and that needs to be aligned with the 30 on the grind setting mark, so make sure you do that. So check that out. So this little rubber gasket goes on top of this, and it's a little easier to do with it on the grinder. So I'm going to put it back in. I'm going to make sure that red tab is around the 30-degree mark, and you'll feel it kind of set down in there. And then you want to take this rubber gasket here, and where these little notches are, you're going to line that up with the red tab and then the other tab on the other side of the upper burr carrier. So it can be a little tricky. Just got to kind of work it into place. And once it's in, it just kind of slides down. So this is what it looks like correctly installed. Now we're gonna put the hopper on. So the hopper on the bottom is gonna have two tabs. One of them is a little bit bigger than the other one. And if you look at the collar of the grinder here, you'll have a larger and a smaller opening. So you wanna put that in with the larger tab and the larger opening. And as you put it in, you'll notice that you have a little notch on this side of the grinder, and there are numbers here. So you begin turning, and that's actually how you adjust your grind setting. So smaller numbers are finer, bigger numbers are larger or coarser. And really, you know, around a 20 is where I would start. That's the halfway point. Try to brew some coffee that way in whatever brewing method you want, and then play with it based on how your coffee tastes. So we'll put this tray back into place, put the lid on. And then if you look at the front here, there is a pulse button. So if you just have a little bit of coffee that you want to clear out, you can just press that. It's going to activate the grinder. Or if you're on the side, you have your on-off switch. Pretty simple. All right, y'all, so that is the Baratza Encore. It's one of our favorite grinders at the price point. We really like this for drip coffee, French press, lots of those kinds of brewing methods. If you're gonna use it for espresso, it's probably not gonna get quite fine enough, and you might wanna upgrade to something a little bit nicer and with more precision. But again, for those entry-level brewing methods, it's gonna be awesome. And for your everyday drip coffee, it's great. So we hope you love it.